Yes folks, hello and welcome back to Relaxing Woodshop. Thank you so much for all our support that we've been getting because of anybody who's watched us before knows about the massive oil leak we've had. So, quick update, insurance company have been on the ball. They are getting ready to start probably in about 2 weeks time where the foundations, well not foundations, the slab's going to come up. So I'm currently stocking up all of my wood that I have salvaged, and then we've been clearing out the place, clearing up. Unfortunately I had to cut off all the legs off all the tables, chairs, so it's been a bit of a messy process, so it has. But we're getting there, as you can see. So yeah, update is, I'm going to make I have a shed that I built years before I even started the Relaxing Woodshop, and we're going to store all the wood there, and the wood turning wood as well, to keep it all safe and dry and away from anything that might ever happen again. So it's going to go into a wee unit that we've got all set in play. All of this is going to go out there as well. Any of the wood that's up in there is going to go out there as well. And then the company's coming to take away all the heavy tools to secure location while all the work's getting done. So, because I just wouldn't have the place to put them there. So I'll give you a quick nosy in here, and then I'll get a quick nosy over there, and then we'll keep you updated. Yes, folks, as you can see, all the tools have been moved into a very unhappy pile for me. But yeah, it's all here, so it is at the moment. So what we need to do is, once the units come, they're going to take all this away. Floor's going to come up. I've put up some stuff away, and some stuff still needs to go into the skip and that there. But it really is a skeleton, a very unhappy skeleton, I must admit. But, quick overview of what we're planning on doing. This gives us an opportunity that had never arose. So we're going to put a PVC floor down to make it softer in the feet and ever so slightly warmer. We're going to put, I always loved the colour of the dark academia type style, so we're going to do the whole new benches, new units, tables, etc., all in one nice flowing piece with some brass lights put in, and just make it feel more homely, because it's not going to be a work of art, but I really want it to look just that wee bit different. So it is. Haven't anything planned for this back wall yet here, so I don't know what I'm going to do it. Whether I put the Relaxing Woodshop logo there or Relaxing Woodshop logo at the back, but you can see we're almost down to bare bones, ready for the floor to come up. Okay, folks, so this is it. I built this 4 or 5 years ago, so it's a tilt roof. Floating foundation, so it sits because it's on a very steep slope, and then a wee bit of decking and all outside. And what we've done, we've completely cleared it out, and this is where we're going to store all the wood. So the wood turning wood, all the off-cut bits and all, because I'm trying to keep the shop itself practical for me for getting around that. Whereas within here, this can store all the wood. So we're going to get everything in here, keep it up to date. I'm going to keep you up to date with all the videos, so I'm going to let you see as the concrete slabs coming out and the parts of the driveway coming up. And I'll show you how it progresses, and then once we get the new slab poured, so we'll go through it together. I want everybody to come along with this one, because this is probably, hopefully, the last time this will ever happen. It definitely, we're not happy, but we just have to make the most out of a bad situation. So stick with me. Thanks again for everybody who's been subscribing and going through my old videos. It means a lot. There was a gentleman very recently come on and posted a wee message for me to thank him. So thank you very much.